Hello and welcome to Bali Tour Guide channel. My name is Jun and I work as a tour guide in Bali. In this video, I will take you to a village in North Bali called Gitgit village. We are here to visit a multi-tiered waterfall. The path to the waterfall is not that difficult. There are hardly any steps. Only when you arrive in the river where the waterfall is located, you will start seeing some little steps. You need to be careful when walking around these steps and on the stones in the river, as it can be a little bit slippery. There are not so many visitors coming to this waterfall, so it is not that crowded as the other waterfall. It will give us time to explore by ourselves. Especially if you like to take a lot of photos, you don't need to worry about people getting into your photos. It is a good feeling to listen to sounds of water as it flows from one level to the next level. It is also a great feeling to hear the sounds of crickets and insects at the background, making you feel that you are really in a tropical jungle. Best time to come is in the morning or in the afternoon, because it will not be as hot when you walk. But then again, there are many trees that will give you shades around the waterfall. So if you are in Bali, one of the alternative waterfall you can visit is multi-tiered waterfall in Gitgit. Thank you for watching this video and have a great adventure. We have been visiting a waterfall in Gitgit. Now it's time to go home. Thank you for watching my channel and please subscribe.